to those who ring the alarm that the APC is intent on a one-party state, I offer you a most personal promise. While you are alive, as a result of the panic, it rings an error. At no time in the past, nor any instance in the present, and at no future juncture, shall I view the notion of one-party state as good for Nigeria. I've never attempted to alter any political party registration with INEC. Equally, my dear friends and colleagues, we cannot blame anybody seeking to bail out of a sinking ship, even without. Look at my political history. I would be the last person to advocate such a scheme. In year 2003, when the then governing party tried to sweep the nation clean of political opposition through plot and manipulation, I was the last progressive governor standing in my region.